one shot. I'm at the edge, I'm hitting with the weight of the world. I'll show us. Let me break the pain of the soul.
Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JC. Never mess with snake girl, right? So today we're gonna present you the lesson 4 snake kung fu style. Let's go. Follow me tutorial step by step for the part 1, lesson 4. Continue from lesson 3, last move. Your left hand to go blocking the left side. And your right hand flipping this way, straight go attack. And your left hand on the top, just grabbing right the joint. This is a locking movement you will see from the real application. After that, will be to make 180 turn to the other side. Your right leg lifts a quick step, and both hands crossing, left hand go attack with low steps. Let's see the full speed and the real application. Tutorial part 2. Let's continue from the last move of the part 1. You step your right and your head go low and your right hand and go attack this way. Then you quick to turn your balance right middle and you lift left and to make low kick. And you land your feet. Your left hand become fist to block to your left side, and your right hand come back to attack straight. Let's see the full speed. Tutorial part 3. Let's start the last move. Stand up. Your right leg go inside kick to kick the head and landing this way. And the same direction you go back kick. And after that, your right hand become fist to blocking your right side. And your left hand to become straight snake hand and attack front. Let's see the full speed and the real application.
Thank you for watching our snake kung fu video. Don't forget that in snake, your body has to move freely and your hands have to be as sharp as knives. Follow these steps to perfect your snake kung fu style. And that'll be it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you in our next video.
Perfect. I think that is